Okay, so what I'm cooking up some chicken liver, and I'm gonna make some eggs. Got the butter in there, and I'm gonna throw in. Oops, I'm sorry. I could throw in my chicken liver. Let it fry up. Turn my heat down a little bit. I got butter, and that's it. I'll salt it when it's done. And then after these are done, I'll cook my eggs in here. I got cook up about 6 eggs. My Vital Farms pasture-raised eggs. What I do need is a lid. I would like to find a lid for this, for my skillet. Makes a lot cleaner and easier to cook. Getting there slowly but surely. I don't just eat eggs and meat, I also eat fruits and vegetables too. But this is what I'm showing you. I cook my raw fruits and raw vegetables. I usually eat sometimes. I do eat a good portion of eggs, and I like beef mostly, and sometimes fish, depending on the day. Salmon usually, and also sardines, easy to get to here on the road. I figure this will be done in about 10 minutes, so I will shut off the video and come back when it's done and start frying my eggs. Okay, so the chicken liver is just about done. Got it all in the middle there. I'm gonna make sure this is cooked through good. I'm not adding any salt or pepper. If I want to add salt and pepper, I'll do that afterwards, but it's already got a pretty good flavor. I tasted a little bit of it. It's already got a good flavor from the butter. And I usually add the salt to my eggs when I'm done cooking them. I never really add to my food while it's cooking in the skillet. Try here and see what it's. Looks like it's cooked through. And it tastes like it is too. Very good. Turn this off now, and I'll cook my eggs up in a little bit. Eat a little bit of this first, and then cook some eggs. And that's it. That's my chicken liver. I wish I had gizzards, but that's what I got. I didn't have no gizzards. So. Okay, now we're gonna cook the eggs. No light. Let me see. I'm gonna turn the light on. I don't know how long it's gonna stay on. I usually stayed on quite a while just a minute ago. So got mosquitoes coming out now. I'm in Louisiana right now, so it's a little humid. It's not hot though. It's kind of a little chilly actually, but it's still humid. I just cook 4, and then I put the other 2 in. That way it's easier for me to flip while it's in here. I cook off of this because I don't have an inverter. I have an inverter, but I haven't installed it yet. And as soon as I do that, I will be able to get my Instapot and cook from there as I'm driving. Let it, like a crock pot. And then also you can use it for boiling eggs. That's what I used to use. I used it for before when I was using it. My Instapot for boiling eggs and cooking soups. Just about anything you cook at home. So while you're on the road, you can just excuse me. You can just cook whatever you want. I mean, I made some nice soups with fish and mushrooms and sweet potatoes or yams or whatever. A lot of food, a lot of healthy food. When you're on the road, you don't have to eat unhealthy. You don't have to stop at these fast food. Every once in a while, if you want to stop and get something not too unhealthy, but a little treat or whatever if you want. But I try to stay away from that as much as possible, especially if I have my crock pot. Crock pot, you don't even need to go out and eat. And I'll shut it off for a little bit and wait for my eggs to cook. I'm gonna start flipping these eggs. That's why I put 4 in. I should really put 3 and 3, but I put 4 in because if I put all 6 in, I would never be busting the yolks, and sometimes I do that anyway. So. Mosquito floating around here. Seems like a task here. Yeah. This over a little bit so it gets on the flame evenly. I got my Redmond real salt. I like this salt here. Throw in my couple Last 2 eggs. Hot. To get that butter, it's actually ghee. I like to use ghee. It has a better heat. I don't know what they call it. It's better, you know, holds the heat better or something. All the minerals or something. I don't know, but it's better for when you're cooking in heat, higher heat. So I don't use any oils, no shortening, no vegetable oils. I only use, usually if I'm making food like this, if I'm making burgers, I will cook the burgers and whatever all the fat and the tallow or whatever's left over from the meat. That's where I cook my eggs in. Or I'll use tallow or butter. No seed oils. So that's about it. You already seen me flip eggs, so that's it.